I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use String.Format in Java. This versatile method provides a powerful way to create well-structured and readable text output. It allows you to embed various data types, like numbers and strings, directly into a template string. Understanding its basic principles will significantly enhance your ability to present information clearly and consistently in your Java applications, making your code more robust and user-friendly. Let's explore some of the most common format specifiers you will encounter. The %s specifier is perfect for strings, while %d handles all your integer needs. For numbers with decimal points like prices or measurements, %f is your go-to. And remember %n for a new line, which adapts to different operating systems, ensuring your output always looks neat and tidy. Beyond basic types, String.Format offers fine control over numbers and dates. You can easily set the number of decimal places for floating point values, perhaps to 2 for currency. You can also define a minimum width for numbers, padding them with spaces if needed. For dates and times, the %t specifier opens up a world of options, letting you display everything from the full month name to the day of the month. For more advanced scenarios, String.Format provides powerful features. Argument indexing lets you refer to the same argument multiple times, saving you from repetition. Flags, like adding a plus sign for positive numbers or zero padding, give you even more control over the output's appearance. By combining these elements, you can construct highly customized and professional-looking strings, making your Java applications truly shine in their presentation of information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.